Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8A and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the home screen and wallpaper. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section. Right here we've got our own gallery, of course we can choose our own photo and set it as a wallpaper. Here we've got pre-installed options, and we can tap on more wallpapers, so we will be transferred to the themes. And here, if you will have your account, of course, added, you will be able to download them and apply them as a wallpaper. I will not do it right now. Let me choose something from pre-installed options, and let me tap, for example, on this one. After tapping, you will be able to check how it will look like on the full screen. You can change the blur effect just by tapping on this drop icon. You can, by going to the right, you can blur the wallpaper, and by going to the left, make it sharper. You can also make it scrollable, which means that it will change the position whenever you will change the screen of the home screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon in the right lower corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.